Little update on the Jones and Shipman grinder. My pal Tom has been over today and admittedly he's done most of the work. We have just taken the table off again, which I've done in the past. Removed the rams, checked the oil ways under the hydraulic blocks for the ram. Checked they're clear through to the saddle. We then lifted the saddle off because we wasn't 100% certain that the oil was getting in there. Give that a really thorough cleaning. We've rebuilt it all and tested it. And obviously I've got some electrical work to do now, but it is now running perfectly. And it took about 5 hours for the pair of us, and it's quite hard to lift this table and everything off. They're not light machines. So, yeah, quite happy to get this done today. It all runs. I've just got to change the electrics, bring them into an external control box now, because where I've actually got them contactors limits your travel with the table this way. But that's now so smooth, it's unreal. We've cleaned all the screws and everything. Not much wear on the ways, a little bit of wear on the screw, probably through someone had pumped a bit of grease into this machine at some point in its life. But apart from that, it's in really good nick. So.